Okay, challenge 3. Metal base. Let's see what it takes. We got to clean out these guys, so we're going to use technicals. I'll get back here. Let's get this guy right here. No. All right, we will, and we're going to bring in Overseer and clear this stuff out. First thing we'll do is we will get rid of these guys. All right. Let's... I don't remember how I did. We'll figure it out. Let's try this. See if that'll get... I don't know. He's the only thing dangerous there. Now, not close enough. All right, we're going to come over here. We're going to shoot. See if that'll get him. Worst he can do is he can shoot at us and we'll get out of the way. Yeah, that's the way to do it. All right, now we will clean out here. Pain in the butt. Okay, we got to get him. So we'll go right there, kill him. Get rid of them just by ending the attack. All right, let's go back in. Got to clear out these guys. Okay, we're good. Let's we'll send in technicals to get rid of the buggy. No, not a good idea. All right, let's get rid of them. Overseers to the rescue. All right, now we'll get rid of him. Send in the technicals. Send in the overseers. All right, we will get rid of him, and we're going to bring in some escorts to get rid of the tank. Because the tank will kill your escort, or your overseers. All right, now we'll send in overseers again. Clean out this corner over here. Just pick them off as you see fit. They're doing a little bit of damage, but it's not much. I'll go back and heal them, and I'll attack again. Let's kill these guys. Let's kill these guys. Whoa, 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 who's shooting at me? Okay, here we go. Him. That's what happens when you don't pay attention. Stop moving. He'll go away. There you go. If you stop moving, he'll go. He'll stop chasing you. Okay, here's what we're going to do. We're going to shoot him. That should get the Overwatch. Yep. Now we'll shoot him. All right, I think all we have to do is kill him and we're done. So we'll send in some escorts. Hurry up, retreat. Once it gets to 0, there we go. Pretty sure that's it. I don't think we have to kill everything, just the buildings. We'll find out in just a second. That's it. 40,000 medals. All right. I will take them home and see what we got for damage. You don't got to have a whole lot. We don't have a whole lot. But we got a little bit here, a little bit there. Literally, it doesn't take long. You get 40,000 medals. It's a whole lot easier than dealing with a challenge 4. You can play around and still be that base. Okay, what do we got? 40 seconds on one of the technicals, 51 seconds on the other technicals, 8 minutes, which means nothing. Overwatch is immediate repair. Okay, nothing. That's something else I've been working on. 26 minutes, that'll be next to nothing. What do we got? Oh, okay, well, I didn't use him. He was from before. These are the ones I used. 2 minutes. I killed him earlier, something else. So that's it. That's how long it takes. Everything. That's it.